Put in your boat.
Hey, unwrap it.
Hey, are they throwing?
Hold on, here comes a big one.
That old, see that
I
paper?
can't.
Then what happened to your brick fort?
Cool camera, man. It's got a light on it.
Yeah. Hey!
Yeah, shut up.
Hey, let the wine away! Thank you!
What is that, a million candlelight light?
Hey, looks nice!
Let's run down there. They're throwing candy tonight. Did you know that?
Yeah, no, my mom had a couple bags.
I think he's out there still. That must be like a million candlelight. We saw this last year.
They do it really hard, and that last year was
Hold my hand.
That's at Shy Age, you remember that?
Should we go down to the pier or just watch it from here?
It'll be over time you get to the pier. There's about 8 boats in it.
Oh, there was more than that.
14 or 12.
There was about 12 or 14.
You mean there's been over 12 or 15?
Scream Merry Christmas, Susan.
Merry Christmas!
Sound like a... Merry Christmas! Don't know who you are.
That's nice.
Y'all look better.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
I think everybody looks better than you.
Yeah.
It's got lights on it. That's right.
Hey, Marge is thinking she's supposed to stop and pick up a second wave now.
We're going to tell her to keep going.
It stopped raining, Susan. It's not raining now. You want to do it?
It's cold. It's damp. And I saw the dip height and I said, we're definitely not. Our group's not.
You got a blanket or something?
Lightning.
You don't wait.
The lightning
I
part.
mean there's been over 12 or 15 boats? Or there were?
Uh-oh, somebody's still.
Sarah was freezing. We were standing on the pier and it
They had
wasn't
theirs
even
blinking anyway.
kept rolling
Theirs
around.
was blinking on and off. I guess
Merry Christmas! If I could see you.
One green light out front.
it had a string outline. It didn't look as good as mine. It was just outline. And it was just
Rain had been coughing and kind of happy.
There was got lights on it.
I'd let him go since the rain stopped to see it.
Yeah.
Like the film.
Yeah.
That's right. It's got lights on it for Christmas.
I just wanted to check out. We're in.
Better get down.
Boat parade.
That's pretty good place.
Yeah, it is. Merry Christmas!
Come here. You hurt your leg on time. Fall down.
Dad, the chair's falling
Turn around.
Is that the
You
plan?
eat that meat.
It is. Marge does such a nice job. With all the lights and everything. It's just so nice and good. I don't know.
Is that Santa Claus? Merry Christmas! And a Happy New Year. Hey, here comes another one. How many is this already?
Santa right there.
Where's Santa?
Sitting in that front of that boat.
Hey, Santa! Long trip from the North Pole, huh?
That was good.
Santa Claus is coming to town.
I want money for Christmas.
I want lots and lots of money.
No Visa card. I want everything on my wish list. Yeah. Please, please. Please. Oh, here comes Margaret in the hand. That's great.
Santa Claus is in the boat, isn't it? You thought he rode
You
on
traveled all
You gotta scream it, Marge.
Sure is.
There we go. Hey, Mom! Yeah, they are. They have to.
Happy
Keep going! Woo!
Santa Claus on that one with the reindeer. You got the reindeer on.
No offense, but I'm not getting on.
Yeah.
Why not?
Me? Hey, everybody!
Oh, he's going by himself.
Hey, Todd!
You gotta worry about if anybody's gonna fall in, you don't see them. If anybody's gonna get where the money does, and
Y'all are stupid to go!
allergy related. A lot of times the changing of weather, you see it. You know what I have found that helped my
Who's that right there?
I don't care what they have on at night. At night, they have to sleep with something on their chest. And when they're out in